Welcome, you guys. I am so sorry for not have been here for so long. I miss you guys. I really want to be here, but there's been so much stuff that's going on that it's just been so hectic that I do need to find some time to be able to make some videos. Right now I'm currently waiting on a bus. It's my first day off in quite a while. I plan on getting some work done. I don't know where my hat's been since this move. There's been so much going on. It's just been crazy. Bitcoin, my Bitcoin market has just exploded. I'm gonna touch on that today too. I'll release a video about the stock market. I'm a peacock today, so don't mind me. But let's get right into this. I'm so sorry for you guys, and we're not gonna do this again. I might have to switch up to making videos once a week or something. We're gonna have to figure it out. Life just right now is way too hectic. I'm trying to do way too many things, and I want to bring you guys along. I do. Now let me show you guys what it is that I have been working on. Alright, so I want you guys to see the chart where I finished off on Friday, right? So Friday was down $4.25 by the end of the day. Come Monday, I'm gonna be up $1.06. I mean, if that moves a bit, awesome. But let me show you guys what the instability of while I haven't been on YouTube and the distractions that I've had have caused me. I mean, of course, I'm still making profit, right? I mean, my week, I am up $25. It's not grand. I have had a lot of distractions and a lot of, complications to being able to trade. So I've just stuck with what I've known, and I have rode the waves up and down. Now I'm trying to implement, a different little style going on here. I'll touch base on that in a second. In my 3-month chart, I'm still up $233. I'm back into the $800 zone. Hopefully I do not dip back down too far into the 700s before taking back off. But time will tell. It's okay. I'm gonna make my money back. I am not doubting that one bit. Now my year chart, I'm down $402, so it's not too bad. I have been down $859, so it's perfectly fine. I will make my money back. Now, on to what I am holding. Currently just holding Jnug, DUST, which those two are, if you see their charts, they kind of coincide with each other. One's going up, the other one's going down. I'm sure you guys know. If not, definitely take a look at this, right? And DCTH had a great week this past week. It went up to, I believe it was like 24 cents. And I was messaging my sister. I was like, should I sell? And she's like, I'm holding till $1. I'm like, oh, you're so right. But I should have sold. I should have sold and gotten back into it. Now, the thing is, I am still restricted from day trades. That is lifted, I believe, September 28th. That's right around the corner. And ZYNE, I am still holding ZYNE. I did average down. I now have an average of $7.32. So I did sell off a couple of shares of this to dip into DCTH a little bit further. I did buy in that dip at 14 cents, bringing my average down to $15.96. Now that was crazy. It was up at 20 cents. It dipped down to 14 cents. I purchased a bunch. Now I have 1,000 shares, as to where before when I went into the trade I had maybe 400, maybe 500 shares. I completely doubled my shares on that ride. So hopefully next week is going to be a great week for DCTH. I hope. I'm looking to make some good money back here. DUST, talking about the inversion, right? I got in here when Jnug was pretty high, right? So 25.88 is my average. I'm up $8 on this one alone today. Now, I purchased, I want to say maybe one share when it was at like 25, very low 25, 25.03, 25.10, something like that. And what I did was, I purchased the one, I waited, and then when Jnug went up more, I sold out some more Jnug, I purchased DUST, and since my average was pretty low, you know, it brought me somewhere in between there. I wasn't quite exactly where I had purchased it, so it worked out for me quite well. And I am positive on DUST today, and you know, thinking that the inversion one I would be negative, right? You would think that, but I am negative $2.28. Okay, well, I thought I was still positive the whole day. I swear to you guys, I was checking it and I was like, how could I be positive on both of these when it's the inversion? I mean, it made a little sense, you know, because I was a lot higher on this one, and the other, it's really weird. Like, you see this, it's down 9 cents, and this one's up 12 cents. So, you know, it's got a little bit of a difference. But anyways, I'm still up $27 on Jnug. That's fine. But we're going to see what Jnug does come Monday. I'm going to have to shift around my shares. But I think for the meantime, until September 28th, I'm just going to keep shifting between these two. I'm going to keep rebalancing my portfolio. But we'll touch a little more on rebalancing. I've learned about rebalancing in the crypto world. And funny enough, in the crypto world, I'm learning a lot of things to do with the stock market, and same thing vice versa. Now let's see how my cryptocurrency has been doing. Alright, so we are half an hour before Snapchat comes out with their earnings, and it's gone down substantially. So luckily, I only have one share. I did consider purchasing more, but let's see where this is going to end up and open up tomorrow. Now let's see how this call goes. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So we're out here having dinner, grand old time at my favorite buffet. So taking a little hiatus for about a week or so, but we're gonna plan on doing something a little different around here. Stay tuned.
Who the fuck is this?
That's you.
I don't like that vicious argument.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Alright, so we're moving out of this house, but there are bees in this chair. And oh my goodness, I am out. What is going on, everybody? So, yeah, currently moving out of this house, and we're pretty much done. Pretty much out of here. Final things was my garden. Definitely have to grab a couple more plants, but I'm not going over there because I don't deal with bees. But anyways, back to the stock market. I know I've taken a week off, but we're gonna get back at this strong once everything gets all settled in. Let's get this going. Is this recording? It's so dark out here. What's going on, you guys? So I'm sorry for the little hiatus, but it has been a quite hectic week. We've been moving and moving and moving, and amongst moving I still have to work. So enough of that. Let's get into this and let's finish this week off and let's see where we can take this. Let's go.